In today's video, I'm going to show you how to filter in Smartsheet step by step so you can quickly find exactly the data you need without scrolling through endless rows. Filtering is one of the most powerful features in Smartsheet, especially if you're managing large projects, tracking tasks, or working with shared sheets. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a filter, customize it, clear it, and save it for future use. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and open the sheet you want to work with. This can be any sheet, whether it's a project plan, task tracker, or report-style sheet in Grid View. Once your sheet is open, look toward the top toolbar. Here, you'll see the Filter option. Go ahead and click on Filter to start creating a new filter view. This is where all your filtering rules will be set up. After clicking on Filter, you'll see an option to add a new filter. Click on Add to begin defining your filter criteria. This tells Smartsheet that you want to create a new set of conditions that will control which rows are visible and which ones are hidden. Now comes the most important part, choosing the column you want to filter by. Click on the column dropdown and select any column from your sheet. This could be a status column, a priority column, an assigned to column, a date column, or even a text or drop-down column. Choose the column that makes the most sense for what you're trying to see. Once the column is selected, you'll need to decide what condition you want to apply. For example, you might want to show only tasks that are marked as complete, only rows assigned to you, or only items with a specific value. Select the condition that fits your goal, and then choose or type in the value you want to filter by. As you adjust these settings, Smartsheet will automatically update the sheet so you can preview what the filtered results look like. Take a moment here to double-check that the rows showing on your screen match what you expect. If something doesn't look right, you can always go back and adjust the column, condition, or value. If at any point you want to remove all the filter rules and start over, simply click on Clear All. This will reset the filter completely and show all rows in the sheet again. This is especially useful if you've been experimenting with different filters and want a clean slate. Once you're happy with your filter setup, click on Save. Saving the filter allows you to reuse it later without having to set everything up again. You can also name the filter so it's easy to recognize, especially if you plan on creating multiple filters for different purposes. And that's it. You've successfully created and applied a filter in Smartsheet. Using filters like this can save you a huge amount of time and help you stay focused on the most important data in your sheet. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet tips, tricks, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.